Firsgrill grease bucket and liners replacement. Traeger drips 20/22/34 series, Pitboss Z grill, green mountain, etc. Pellet wood grill smoker buckets, 16, bucket plus liners. 1 black bucket and 15 pack liners compatible with popular model. Drip grease bucket and 12 pack liners for Traeger 20/22/34 series, Pitboss etc. Pellet grill smoker, black 12/25 pack mini grease bucket liners compatible with Traeger Ranger, Scout, PTG, each measures 4.3 inch by 4.0 inch. Thumbs up, CATCHESG. QuliMetal drip bucket and 15 pack disposable foil liners for Oklahoma Joe's. Grill grease bucket fits most offset smokers, black. Grease bucket, drip pale wicks well with most offset smokers. Fits most Traeger, Pitboss, Oklahoma Joe's, Z Grill, Camp Chef, Green Mountain Grills models, excluding Timberline, popular model. Fits for Traeger 20 series, 22 series, 34 series, Pitboss Austin XL, 700 FB, 71820 FB, PB 820 FB. Traeger 20/22/34 series, Pitboss/Rectex/Green Mountain /Cabela's/Cuisinart/Big Hon/Cuisinart/Smoke Hollow/Oklahoma Joe's/Country Smokers/Summers Heat/Landman USA etc.